Hey guys, here's a new fan I just got for Christmas today. Merry Christmas, by the way. It's a 52-inch Hampton Bay Carriage House too. I just finished putting it up. There's a ladder. But yeah, it's a really cool fan. I absolutely love these shades. These shades are awesome. And I have it on the walnut side since it matches the furniture in my room better. It's got walnut, cherry up there. There's a landmark right there. But this fan has a really cool light setting. So it goes those two lights, the opposite two, and all the lights at once. So yeah, now put it on to low. I was kind of thinking on what finish I wanted to get. I wanted to get a carriage house, but I was debating on if I wanted to get the brass one or this, which is the natural iron finish, which is natural iron. And I picked this one because this one's more interesting. The finish is cool. On camera, the finish looks more black, but really it's more brown. I'll move it up to medium. It was good air. Those blades are surprisingly wide. Now move it up to high. Now the light bulbs do rattle a little bit. It was good. Turn it off. So yeah, that is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Carriage House ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. Bye.